Now the coatings that we use are extremely durable. We've had one particular client in the past who we came out to do the cabin refinishing, and they had a flooring company come in at the lowest budget, and with that comes its own host of problems. But what they basically did was they got a bunch of flooring stain and the varnish mixed together, and when they were slopping it down on the ground, on the floor, it splashed up and hit the cabinetry. And so we had to touch up a few of the cabinets, but for the most part, because our coatings are so durable, you can actually take acetone or nail polish remover and clean up the actual coats. You can scrub them, you can get into it, you can get them clean. We've had clients in the past, their children got crayons and markers, and some even took a Sharpie to draw on the actual cabinetry themselves. And so we come out and you can typically tell them you can take some acetone and give it a cleaning, scrub it down. This doesn't affect the finish at all. It doesn't mess with the luster. It doesn't do anything to the actual coating because this is a chemical resistant coating that is extremely durable for a kitchen. I mean, you try this with your regular Benjamin Moore paint or your Sherwin-Williams Emerald, it's not going to fly. You're not going to get it. What ends up happening is you'll end up blistering the paint and product. You end up getting an actual discoloration, and basically you're going to end up ruining your cabinetry and have to call someone else to come do the repair. But these ones here are going to be cleaned up so that basically you're back to new. No luster issues. Everything's good to go.